Proteins are crucial in any well-rounded diet, and when it comes to getting your protein fix, few options surpass the countless benefits provided by meats. This time, let's delve into 3 top, more affordable meats that deserve a spot in your regular meal lineup. And we're not talking about chicken breast here. Packed with vital nutrients, lean on fat, and bursting with top-notch protein, these options stand out not only for their health perks and physical fuel, but also for their cost-effectiveness. Get set to learn why making them a dietary priority is a no-brainer. Number 3. Pork chop. Plenty might question the perks of pork chops, but this tasty meat truly deserves a rebrand. Contrary to common belief, pork chops pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. A little-known fact is that, despite its reputation, pork is actually richer in thiamine, or vitamin B1, than other red meats like beef and lamb. This important vitamin is crucial for a wide range of bodily functions, from energy metabolism to nerve transmission. Moreover, each bite delivers high-quality proteins to keep our muscles robust and energetic. But there's more. The pork chop is a genuine treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. Its abundant iron levels make it a great ally against fatigue and weakness. The zinc and niacin it harbors promote a healthy metabolism and optimal nervous system function. And with its contributions of selenium and vitamins B6 and B12, pork chops contribute to a sharp brain and vibrant blood. A study in the American Journal of Health Behavior found that consuming moderate portions of lean pork can help regulate cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. And not only that, the same research suggests that consuming lean pork, rich in protein and low in saturated fats, can favor weight loss and the maintenance of healthy muscle mass. Yes, you heard that right. It turns out that proteins are renowned for their satiating power, which means they help you feel more satisfied and curb cravings for longer periods. A recent study suggests that people who increase their protein intake, especially from pork, are more successful in cutting calories without suffering from constant hunger. So, pork has that ability, greater satiety, which in turn increases energy expenditure and promotes better control of blood sugar levels. But beyond the numbers on the nutrition label and the health benefits, the pork chop delights the palate with its unmatched texture and incomparable flavor when cooked to perfection. A simple touch of sea salt, black pepper, and fine herbs is all it needs to bring out its delicious essence. Just make sure to cook it thoroughly, no medium rare here, to avoid potential parasitic infection. Number 2. Chicken thighs. When we think of healthy chicken options, often the spotlight is on the lean white breast. However, there's a part of the bird that deserves a place on the podium of nutritious foods: chicken thighs. These tender, flavorful cuts are much more than just an alternative. Unlike their leaner counterparts, thighs offer an unmatched texture and culinary delight. Their dark, juicy meat is packed with incredible flavor that enhances any dish. But what many don't know is that these thighs are also a rich source of essential nutrients. Every bite of a chicken thigh provides a generous serving of high-quality protein, perfect for building and maintaining healthy muscle mass. Studies suggest that consuming quality proteins, like those from chicken, alongside exercise can prevent sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss. But the benefits don't stop there. Chicken thighs are rich in zinc and selenium, key nutrients for a strong immune system and optimal thyroid function. They also provide iron and vitamins B12 and B6, essential for red blood cell production and proper energy metabolism. Also, research in the Journal of Molecular Sciences suggests that all cuts of chicken, including thighs, contain tryptophan, an amino acid responsible for boosting serotonin, or the feel-good neurotransmitter that can help maintain a healthy mood. Of course, who can be sad when enjoying a rich chicken soup with chicken thighs? And while it's true that chicken thighs have a slightly higher profile in fats and cholesterol than breasts, this shouldn't be a factor in banishing them from a healthy and balanced diet. The key is to moderate portions and pair them with other nutritious foods. Thighs provide more fats, but many of these are the unsaturated and monounsaturated fats that our bodies need. Additionally, their saturated fat content, though higher than that of the breast, stays within the recommended limits for a healthy diet according to U.S. dietary guidelines. What truly sets chicken thighs apart is their contribution of high-quality protein and another added advantage. They tend to be a more economical option than other meat or seafood sources, making them an excellent choice for those on a tight budget. These nutritional qualities make chicken thighs an ideal option to include in your daily meals. But don't cheat. Always opt to remove the skin before cooking them and avoid frying. Instead, take advantage of methods like baking, grilling, or using an air fryer. And don't forget to pair them with plenty of vegetables and whole grains to maximize the benefits. They're also perfect for hearty stews, comforting stews, or even in fresh salads. Number 1. Sirloin steak. Turning our attention back to red meats, the sirloin steak often remains an overlooked choice when selecting cuts. Perhaps due to its more affordable price or less flashy appearance, this lean and juicy cut from the loin of the cattle is often overshadowed by pricier options like filet mignon. However, the humble sirloin steak hides a nutritional package you wouldn't even imagine. This cut is a generous source of high-quality proteins, essential for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. In fact, according to Harvard Health Publishing, as we age, we lose between 3 and 5% of muscle mass. This is known as sarcopenia. So, consuming proteins like those found in sirloin steak is particularly important for muscle strength and to prevent injuries and falls. It's rich in iron, a key mineral for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. The average person needs 8 to 11 milligrams of iron per day, and a 3-ounce sirloin steak contains 4.89 milligrams, nearly half of the daily requirement. It's also an excellent source of zinc and vitamin B12, vital for the immune system and proper energy metabolism. What's more, sirloin steak can benefit cardiovascular health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. A small study from July 2018 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that following a Mediterranean-style diet that includes lean, unprocessed red meats may help improve cardiometabolic disease risk factors. But how can you make the most of it? This delicious and nutritious cut can be easily incorporated into your daily meals. Grill or roast it to enjoy its juiciness and intense flavor. You can also stir-fry it with fresh vegetables and garlic, or serve it in salads, wraps, and tacos. For quick and simple preparation, sauté thin slices of sirloin with a touch of teriyaki or chimichurri sauce. Sirloin steak is also perfect for making kebabs or grilling skewers. And I could go on giving you recipes. The options are endless. So don't underestimate sirloin steak any longer. With its plentiful nutrients and delicious flavor, this affordable and lean cut deserves a prominent place in your balanced diet. Enjoy it guilt-free. Pork chops, chicken thighs, and sirloin steak aren't just meat cuts. They're delicious nutritional powerhouses that can take your well-being to the next level. Smartly incorporating them into your diet lets you tap into their valuable protein, vitamin, and mineral benefits. Remember, even small changes in your eating habits can make a big positive impact on your health. While we discuss the significant benefits of incorporating specific meats into your diet, it's important to note that any dietary changes should be made with consideration of your individual health needs and conditions. We strongly recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before making alterations to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or dietary requirements. This content is provided for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. For more inspiration and practical tips on nourishing your body and mind with the best, don't miss out on exploring our other videos. There, you'll find a wealth of information on optimal nutrition and healthier lifestyle habits. If you've learned something useful today, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.